Mechanized column number 12 is building railway tracks and highway in Moscow and the Moscow region. The company's fleet includes more than 70 units of equipment. There are dump trucks, cranes, excavators, loaders, buses and various special vehicles. Prior to the installation of transport monitoring system, fuel was sold at inflated standard. There were recorded a few cases of fuel drains at the enterprise. The company suffered significant losses. Alexander Chashchin, GLONASS-GPS monitoring technician of the Mk12 says, "There were few cases when 1.5 tons managed to be drained. Now we have installed a monitoring system and track everything through the mobile application. It is very convenient. I work remotely. I come here only for installation. I am sitting at home and monitoring all the equipment. For example, now the fuel level sensor is replaced. I checked in the program on the phone. Information about the car appeared. Everything works." How did the drivers react to the installation of telematics? Drivers were upset with the installation of telematics. Before that, they had additional income from fuel drains. Earlier, drivers refueled according to the norms and during the working day called the supervisor that they didn't have enough fuel. Now this is no longer necessary, since the supervisor sees what the consumption of the car is and how much fuel is enough. We started installing monitoring systems 4 years ago. There was another company that didn't suit us. A year ago we switched to service in Montrans. I was happy with everything. Excellent. Service support of any monitoring system is one of the activities of Montrans. The speed and quality of service is the customer's time and money. So the management of Mk12 appealed to the Montrans customer service about the fact that the monitoring data stopped receiving in the cloud platform from several vehicles. The request for service was received on December 7 at 9 a.m. and already on December 9 at 10 o'clock the act of the performed works was signed. Igor Yershov, head of the technical department of the Montrans. We are constantly improving our service. Every detail is important, starting from receiving a call in the call center and finishing with timely sending of reporting documents on completed works to the customer. The activities of the technical department in Montrans are fully automated. All incoming requests are recorded in the application management system, where the distribution of applications for performers takes place. Performers, in turn, see all scheduled events in their mobile application. It is noteworthy that our automation doesn't end only with the recording of requests and the distribution of requests. The customer also has a mobile application, and in that application he can send a request for the performance of any work and also accept these works. By the way, before the customer is asked to sign the work order in the application, all completed work passes our internal verification. The service manager checks the incoming data online for validity, looks at the photo report on the work. It is also available to the customer, and performs the final configuration of the system. After the customer confirms the completed work, the system automatically generates reporting documents and sends them to the addressee through the electronic document management system. The introduction of an automated application management system allowed us not only to significantly improve the quality and speed of providing a full circle of services, but also to reduce the cost associated with processing applications from the customer and sending reporting documents. In the near future, Montrans plans to use artificial intelligence in terms of automated distribution of applications to performers and coordination of the date and time of work with the customer.